Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the perfect coleslaw salad. We're going to start with the star of our show, fresh cabbage. For the best results, you'll want to shred about 8 cups of green cabbage very finely. A sharp knife or a mandolin slicer works wonders here, ensuring every bite is crisp and delicious. This initial step is crucial for achieving that classic coleslaw texture we all love. Next up, let's add some vibrant color and extra flavor to our coleslaw. You'll need about 1 cup of finely shredded carrots. Their natural sweetness perfectly complements the cabbage. And for a little zing, finely mince about 1/4 cup of yellow onion. These additions aren't just for looks, they contribute significantly to the overall taste profile, making each forkful more interesting and delicious. Now for the heart of any great coleslaw, the dressing. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of tangy apple cider vinegar. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finish it off with 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. This combination creates a perfectly balanced, sweet and savory dressing that coats every vegetable beautifully. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Pour your delicious, creamy dressing over the bowl of shredded cabbage, carrots, and onion. Gently toss all the ingredients until every piece is evenly coated. This ensures maximum flavor in every bite. For the best taste and texture, cover the bowl and chill your coleslaw in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Then, it's ready to serve and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.